Hi everyone. On a night when I've been relaxing, because as you know I've been working extremely, and I mean extremely hard, but when I've been relaxing, I've sat and made flowers. I've made these out of material, little roses, and they're quite pretty. This is like an old fashioned rose, you know, pink, rosy pink. They are beautiful actually, and they're very soft. This one's made out of a different chiffon. And that one, oops. That one I could put a middle in. And then there's that one, of course, which I've shown you how to do that. Do the middle and then sew that outer edge. And of course, they can fit into each other. You know, whatever you want to do with them, it's completely up to you. I just love them all. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. Now, as you can see, this one is not so gathered, but that one is gathered. But it's done very similar. Now, you take your strip of material. Because you need to roll them once they're gathered, you need a fair bit. Now, I would just say 12, 24, 30 inches. 30 inches of material. And mine's not even cut straight. Look at that. It's not. What you do is, if you wanted this one where it's just straight rolled, like that, then your material will be straight at the edge. And you just fold it in half. You'll fold that in half, stitch it along, running stitch all the way along, and then you will just wrap it. And you'll end up with this one. But to get this one, then you need to cut a diagonal line. But this corner has to meet that corner when you are sewing. It will be awkward to start with, but do start it. Do try it. Should do a couple of tacking stitches to hold it on. And what it does, it gives a twist in the material when you've sewn it. So now we take the bottom and we put the two sides together, which, as you can see, it's twisted this. That doesn't matter, that's how you want it. And now we do like a running stitch. Now what you do is you gather that up. Like that. And then I'm just going to tuck that in. And give that a couple of tacking stitches. Okie dokie. Where's my little snippers? So we've gathered that up. You will have to have it all facing the same way. So what you do is, if you were stitching it, you tuck that in. And then you'd start. But I'm going to glue mine. So for now, we're just going to tuck that in that way. Like that. And then dab a glue on it. Make sure your material's staying all the same way. And I glue that section. I don't glue this, only to start with. Just fold that over. Like that. Squeeze that in. Again, making sure all this is twisted the same way. And just continue to twist that flower. Now, if that's not quite gathered as you want it, just run it along, run your finger along, make sure you've got a nice even-ish gather, run that along there. This is what you're controlling the flower. There you go. And tuck that in. And there you go. You've got a gorgeous rose. Now, that can be shoved down in there a little bit. Let's poke that in there. Like that. So you've got your roses. That's a different material. This is more lighter and fluffier. But they are so easy to make. And then you could add your leaves to them. And I'll just get a couple of leaves because I want some on mine. It's going to go on a headband. Okay, so I'm just going to attach one of these. Like that. Let me snip that off a bit. I'm going to put another one between them. Like that. And then I'll put a backing on it, of course. If I can find a back. Oh, I'm going to put this on actually. I'm going to put this ring on that I've made. Onto that. Isn't that gorgeous? Like that. And I think what I will do, I've got just a small pearl, just to glam the centre of that up. I'm actually going to pop in a pearl. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? I can pull that down a little bit. That's it. So I hope you like that, and just try them. They're really, really simple to do. Cut a strip. If you want that type of rolled rose, you just fold it in half, stitch it down, pull it a little bit, and then wind it round over and over and over. If you want this with the kinks in it, which is like that, then you cut an angle, diagonal line on it, cut it on one end, stitch corner to corner, and then keep bringing the front section up to meet the back section while you're stitching, and then gather it up a little bit as well before attaching it all together. I hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.